Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Today I'm going to show you a super cool product that many people might not think of when they go out camping or do some trips around Australia. So yeah, this is a very important thing that I reckon everyone should have with them when they are traveling, because it might save you a lot of hassle and a lot of money and a lot of time as well. So yeah, without further ado, have a look at this product. Righto guys, so imagine you're out bush all by yourself and you have a flat battery. So now you gotta either call insurance company or call a mate, and it's a disaster for time, right? So basically all you gotta do is just get one of these. So it's a portable jump starter. This is the JS2000 from Topdon. It's a pretty cool unit, as you can see. It's pretty high quality, and the features is basically that it's 2000 amps output, so it's pretty much good for up to 6 litre diesel engines and 8 litre petrol engines. So it just means it has the capacity to, boost up your car's battery and get you out of trouble, and it's also good for up to 35 charges. So that is super good, and you can literally just charge it up, leave it in your car, and hopefully you don't get a bad battery. But if you do at bush, well, then covered by this unit. It also comes with a 16,000 milliamp capacity battery inside, so it can also pretty much be used as a power bank for your smartphones. And as you can see on the side here, there's a USB-C port, and on the front here there's also 2 USB ports, so you can charge your phones, your laptops, that sort of thing. How cool is that? It's literally a very big battery, so it's got multiple uses. It's not just a jump starter, but it's also a power bank. And you can run a heap of things off this. And my favorite thing about it is if you're at night, you can actually use the flashlight. So as you can see, it's got a few options. So you could like a strobe mode, and yeah, just provides plenty of light, which is good. But anyway, let me show you how to use it. Basically, you take your clamps, and this is the little unit that you just plug into the front of the Topdon. Now once that is in, you literally just leave it on your battery or where else, and you clamp negative to negative, obviously, number 1 and number 2, and then down the side here you'll see a flashlight that now says correct. So that means your car is now ready to start up and good to go. So yeah, let's give it a go and see if it starts up. Awesome guys, well there you go. As you can see, my car started up just fine. Luckily my battery is all good, but honestly it can probably happen so easily. Like if you're going out bush camping and you sit around a campfire and you left your car's door open and the interior lights are still on, or whether you left your headlights on or your work lights, scamp lights, that sort of thing, and it drains your car battery, well, the next morning it's going to be dead. But luckily with this unit, it comes with a boost button. So essentially, if your battery is completely dead, you push the boost button and it will literally take all its amps, charge it up for 30 seconds, and then you can start cranking it over and it will jumpstart your car. So that is pretty good. And the other function as well, it's got a DC output, so any products that use DC can be used with this product as well. So yeah guys, if you're interested, make sure to jump on budget4x4live.com. You can have a look there. It's free shipping Australia wide. And honestly, if you compare this to other competitors, well, this is definitely the one to go for. It's good quality, and it's it's got all these awesome features, and wow, the price, you really can't beat the price. So Budget 4x4 Life, providing the goods. So there you go. There you go guys, that is the Topdon Power Jump Starter, so make sure to check it out on the website. But yeah guys, honestly, what do you reckon? Like, comment down below what you think about jump starters, and my personal opinion is that it's absolutely going to save the day when you're at bush and your car battery is dead. Because think of this, if you want to call your insurance company and you don't have any signal, what are you going to do? Especially if you have an automatic and you can't jump start the car manually, like, yeah, you're in for a bit of a pickle, mate. So yeah, definitely check it out. But thanks so much for watching guys, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.